Tired of endless scrolling and struggling to find what you need in your lengthy Word document? Let's transform that chaos into organized perfection by creating an automatic table of contents. First, the key to a successful table of contents lies in using heading styles. Go through your document and apply heading 1 to your main chapter titles, heading 2 to your subsections, and so on. You can find these styles in the Styles gallery on the Home tab. Now, navigate to the References tab in the Word ribbon in the Table of Contents group. Click on the Table of Contents button. A drop-down menu will appear with a selection of automatic table styles. Choose the one that best suits your document's aesthetic. Word will automatically generate a table of contents based on the headings you've already styled. Fantastic! Your table of contents is now created, but what happens when you make changes to your document? Simply right-click anywhere within the table of contents and select Update field. Then choose either Update Page Numbers Only or Update Entire Table, depending on the changes you made. Want to customize the look and feel of your table of contents? Click on Custom Table of Contents within the Table of Contents drop-down here. You can adjust the formatting, show or hide page numbers, and even change the number of heading levels displayed. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized a dynamic table of contents, making your Word documents more professional, accessible, and reader-friendly.